The difference between an agent and a manager is that an agent is franchised by the state, operates by state laws, and can only take 10% after you book a job. And you also have usually a 90-day out clause. If they don't get you work or auditions within 90 days, you can leave. That's generally the rule. Managers, they don't operate out of that same agreement. They can make their own terms. Usually it's a 3-year term. Sometimes it's 15 to 20%. They don't legally have to have an office. They're not really allowed to procure work for you, but some do these days. They used to be agents. They're turning into managers. They used to be producers going to managers. So there's a little bit of gray area in the manager world, but some people have both, which will be at least 25% off the top of your check. So make sure that if you're taking on both, especially if you're starting out, that they're offering different avenues for you and connections for you, and they're both really helping you get to that next place in your career, and you're not just kind of aggregating them because you think you're supposed to do that. Like, make sure there's a real clear reason, because you might book that next TV show and suddenly paying 25% for the next 7 years of your life, because that's how long the contracts are. So just make sure everyone on your team is looking out for you and that you're being smart about those decisions.